Hello everyone, today we are going to continue chapter 12 tutorial 1, and as the last piece that we're going to make, I'm going to show you how to make the bar globus, so this part. And let's go to SolidWorks. So first of all, we are going to make half of this part and revolve, then we do extruded cut, then we add a chamfer at the top. So let's go to SolidWorks, create a new one, new part, say OK. And unit is right. Then go to sketch and go into sketch. I am going to create the part on the front plane, so I select the front plane. Then I'm going to draw a circle, things like this, and make two lines. So one here, down here, make sure the vertical relation is showing up. Similar one from here down here, make sure the vertical relation is showing up as well. Okay, then we are going to put dimensions on. So the dimension of the circle is R6, so let's put R6 there. So the radius is 6, so diameter is 12. And now let's save the work before we move forward. And let's save it to this part and give a name as bar globus, globes, and say save. Then let's look at the other dimensions. So also from in the center is going to be 9. So let's go back here. Let's give a dimension of each half as 4.5. And 4.5 on the other side. And say OK. Now let's draw another line to close the ship. And now let's trim off the extra part. Select the bottom one, trim off all of those things. Say OK. And now this one is not recognized on the center, so let's drag it in back on the center. Okay, if it doesn't work, then let's give a relation. Okay, so add a relation here and select the line and the point. See, they are coincident, and say OK. Now the part is fully defined. Then let's save the work. And now we are going to revolve. So go to features and select sketch 1 and select a revolved boss or base and give an axis, which is this one, and say OK. And this is our part. Now we are going to make a circle and do extruded cut. So let's go to sketch, go into sketch here, select the plane and make a circle. And let's look at the dimension of the circle. So it says the diameter is 4. So let's go back here to give a dimension. This part is going to be 4. Let's say OK with that. And let's save the work. and select sketch tool and go back to features, do extruded cut, and let's do it through all and say OK. And now we're going to add the chamfer on this edge for this little part. So it says 60 degrees from the center line. So the little piece here is going to be 30 degrees because they're opposite, and the depth is going to be 1. So let's go back here and do a fillet and select the chamfer. And now we want to select angle and distance. Okay, angle and distance. And remember, from the picture, this angle is going to be this angle is 60. So this angle here should be 30. So and the length is 1 millimeter, which is right, and the angle is 30 degrees. If it's not, then go ahead and change that and select this line as your item and say OK. And this is the part, and this is, let's save the work, and this is for this part. And the next thing, we're going to do assembly, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.